Hello students, let us do the second part of the chapter How the State Government Works, Chapter 3 Social and Political Life. Let us follow the sequence of how a party forms a government at the state level. First one, candidates belonging to different political parties are issued tickets. They represent from that particular party. They file nomination from their respective constituencies. These candidates convince the people living in their respective areas to vote for them. Elections are held and result declared. Once the results are declared, the party that gets the majority of MLAs elects the leader who is appointed the chief minister of that particular state. The leader of the majority party only is invited to form the government. Then the chief minister prepares a list of experienced and capable MLAs to be appointed as ministers. Here in this picture, the swearing in ceremony of the Chief Minister and the Council of Ministers by the Governor of Himachal Pradesh. This is called the Oath of Office. Now let us know who is the Governor. Governor is appointed by the central government to ensure that the state government works according to the provisions of the Constitution. Now, working of the legislature. The governor summons the assembly and addresses the first meeting every year. During this session, MLAs discuss various issues and problems. MLA raises concerns about his own constituency. Then a bill is passed. When a bill is passed by the assembly, it is sent to the governor for his assent. No bill can become an act or a law without the governor's signature. Now, let us see how the working of the government at the state level takes place. There are 6 MLAs here. MLA 1 is from Shastri Nagar. There have been as many as 15 deaths in my constituency of Shastri Nagar. These deaths have been due to diarrhea. Here, MLA 1 is asking the health minister what is he doing to control the situation. That is, he is from the opposition party. MLA 2 is asking the health minister in the assembly. What is he asking? Let us see. Why the situation in government hospitals is so bad? Why medical staff is less? How to control this epidemic and what are the steps? So, MLA 3 belongs to the constituency of civil lines. There is extreme shortage of water supply. So, he is asking the ruling party what measures have been taken by them. That means he belongs to the opposition party. MLA 4 is giving his reply to MLA 1, MLA 2 and MLA 3. My dear fellow members, why are you blowing up the problems? The government has sent water supply twice. The government has distributed ORS packets. Doctors sent to the affected area. A mobile clinic also has been put into the service. That means this is for the government. After listening to the answers of MLA 4, MLA 5 again he is saying we have not been able to assess the situation properly. The condition is going from bad to worse and most doctors and staff are on leave. It is difficult to get the ORS packets delivered to the families in the area. MLA 6 is giving his reply in the assembly. I think opposition is unnecessarily blaming the government. It is sad to say the previous government did not give enough attention to health sanitation. We are now cleaning up the garbage that was left by the previous government. Now, working of the government. State legislature is divided into two houses, upper house and lower house. Upper house is also called as State Legislative Council or Vidhan Parishad. Lower house is also called as State Legislative Assembly or Vidhan Sabha. The term of the member of the Legislative Council, that is MLC, is 6 years. The term of the member of the Legislative Assembly is 5 years. Working of the government. The media plays an important role in the functioning or breaking the image of the ruling party or the government. Here, media means newspapers, TV channels, etc. The media are very strong and can influence the people of a state one way or the other.